Okay, you might be wondering why make all these feet. Different usages. Decoration. Here is the nice decoration. Foot on stone. And Christmas candle. Christmas candle. Skateboard wax. Skateboard wax. Also to put in shoe to make good shoes. Ice foot. And I do like this. Today I'm going to make a mold out of my foot. The stuffs I have is molding Alginate, plaster, not blaster, water, 1.8 liters of water for each bag. These two for this bag. And cut it. I measured 10 centimeters from each side. So now I should be able to like fold up the box. Thick paper, which is prepared somehow with something. Cut, fold up, cut, fold up, cut, cut, fold up, and fold up. Oh. And it should fold. Yes, it folds good. Can fold up the sides. Now I've got this perfect foot box. The foot, which is for your foot. Good. Okay, just jumping to put the tripod back. Okay. 20 degrees. Stir it with a spoon. It feels kind of nice. Okay, where should I put the foot? Maybe here. I'll just to get. Okay, I need some more. Can I make some more? Here comes some more. Oops. My phone is over there. So it says like 8 to 10 minutes. Get some opening. I think. Okay. Inside. So this is 1 kilo, and I'm gonna see if I can get 1 kilo of plaster also. So Here goes nothing. Let's go. Don't miss. In. Get in there. This one over like that. Vibrating out the bubbles. Okay. Need to fix the big toe a bit. Wow. Okay, so this is the foot, and it came out pretty well. There we have it. I'm waiting for the glue gun to heat up, and now I'm cutting like pieces of insulation to glue to the sides. So, because this is kind of expensive, so I don't want to use too much of it. Now the box is ready. Hopefully. Please. Now this needs to sit and cure for at least 3 hours. For 4 hours, and it feels solid. Okay, as soon as this, yeah, it's loose. Okay, now it should just come out. So here we have the foot, and let's see how. Doesn't look too bad. with the toe. Okay, so here I have my paraffin, and I'll just cook it slowly on low temp on the oven. And here I got some beeswax for when this is melted, and I also got some coloring. I might as well just put the coloring in. My own wax foot.
Jag vill inte vaxa med min fot för fan.
Who should make their own foot? Everybody should.